Reptastic has a new baby brought to you by Koolie. Invest in your friends. Just born. You see his umbilical cord? Brand new. I'm the mommy. Met some great people. Met some really great people in this industry. Love it for myself. Definitely gonna come out here with some cars with some of these people because business is business, but we gotta do everything, okay? But this little baby is so happy. Chelsea already had a tank for the baby. He's drinking water. Oh my gosh. He's so cute. Oh my god, you
That might not even be
cutie.
shed. That might be like egg stuff, egg yolk.
Oh my god. This is baby Koolie. Me and my nickel. Me and my nickel. Me and my nickel. Thank you, baby. Me and my nickel. He don't got no choice but to enjoy what the fuck I'm doing. Me and my nickel. Mwah. Oh my god. Look at Chelsea's. We're here in Chelsea's beginning of her reptile zoo. She has so much. Look at these big cages. These animals are so healthy. Oh my gosh, Chelsea. And they have so much space. I hate when I see people's reptiles and they don't have any space. This is the big girl here. I can't wait to hold. Like, look at everything. Everything is so nicely placed and designed. Everything is so stacked nicely. The animals are not... Oh, she just... Chelsea's just got so many. Like, they're so well taken care of in these nice, beautiful enclosures. She's even got to make a video showing you guys how to make these bin ones, you know, a little bit more cost effective for some of those that don't like glass. Oh my gosh.
So these are, I just got, hold on. Where's she at?
Ah. She's showing us one. Oh! Call her Fire Mama. Oh. Oh my goodness, Chelsea's got everything.
Oh, I'll let her come out. Do her little thing. Come on.
That's a beauty.
So she's a super max now.
Today. I'm holding this one. This baby done became friends with me and don't want to go back in her cage.
Do you want to come now?
No. Hey. Why you want to smoke with me? Why you want to smoke with me? I just want to show y'all the size. This is how they look when they fresh out.
So I can tell the difference.
This is how they look when they grown. Let me let her curl up on me so you can see the size.
I had him.
I want to show y'all the size difference. So this one is 3 years old. And this baby here is brand new to the world. Fits in 2 fingers. This one is on my arm. Very active little baby. Very chill. Good. Look at that. Ah! That motherfucker big. Sorry, y'all. My fault. G shit. He about to eat. See him? It's a hissing cockroach. Mr. Beardy. Ah, shit.
Yeah, he got juices on the floor. So, I'll show you. Just my little dress. Like that. A couple of them.
She just wanted to touch it, y'all. She just wanted to touch it.
They just had greens too. Greens and beef olive. shit cocaine. It's not. Come on, baby. Not right now. Show Taylor something. Hold on. Damn, they ate already. They all ate. Okay. That's good for Dan.
He's got calcium on his lips.
Come on, Saturn.
A Euromastix. Where is this from, or what does it do?
So these are from Sahara Desert. I have an Egyptian one over there, but this one's from. This is a Stugshed, but this is a Sahara. Look at his fat belly.
What did you say the name of this is again?
Euromastix.
Euromastix.
So these are herbivores. They do not eat insects. They only eat fruits, vegetables, and they get all their hydration from.
Does the tail hurt?
Yeah, feel it.
Ooh. Yeah, y'all don't go.
When they wiggle it, it's
messing with that.
Oh, actually, you know what? I'll take out the playpen.
A reptile playpen, a playpen for your reptiles, like only Chelsea. This is baby Sapphire, not so much of a baby anymore. But she was a little shy at first and ended up opening up to me, letting me hold her and everything. This snake takes some time to eat. She likes to look at it for a minute, but she eventually ended up chowing this thing down. She just doesn't really like to be watched while she eats, so she didn't really get a good strike in this video. That's why when you see snake feeding videos, like, show appreciation, because you cannot force a snake to eat on camera.
He may not eat it though. He might not eat it. He's full. Put the little thing on top.
Chomp down.
No beef litter. But it shall do. It shall do.
All right, y'all. So Chelsea's about to show me how to set up the cage for this gecko named Koolie.
Keep that with you. Let's see, there's a boy over there.
We just found out Koolie might be a boy, so I think Coolie's a boy because it looked like he might have had balls. This is an 8x8x12.
8x8x12 Exoterra front door action. Then you got the latches right here, up above, like that. Let's go like that on the sides, but lock it. They all lock. So you can put this in here ready. Your leaf litter, your fur, your sphagnum moss, which is real good for like bugs and isopods and shit. Didn't make sure. But there's a moss breakup in here. It's Reptile soil, leaf litter in here. It's real good for the bioactive material. So it's a little moist. It stays moist. It soaks in all the water. And that's usually on the plate. Come up really good with the vacuum. So kind of just spread it out. Kind of like that. Not too much. Not too much. You know? That's why you have all the little bag underneath. You can see all that dirt right there. Go like that. Now, this is a hatchling, so we can't put too much in here. I'll just pack it down. Pack it down. Kind of like that. You want to wet it a little bit. called cork. This is cork here. You use this for any type of, tropical gecko. They like cork, it holds, moisture, and bugs love it as well. So you can just like set this aside for now. Nothing too special. Patera. I love Exoterra. Since it's a hatchling, you want to have something, not too big, not too small, so it doesn't get trapped around anything. I'll just pop it open. Now we can attach a nice little plant for the little baby. Then you're gonna have a little setup like that, but it's still small, doesn't need too much. And then we can move forward with, for a little feeding rack. Got a different plant. Place your plants in there. Give a nice little swirl. Kind of like that. Get some little plants in there. Put it back so that. Now we got some isopods. Some zebras. Hope I can show you guys what they look like. There we go. There we go. These are zebras.
Back that shit up, Chelsea.
Okay. Flower in there. And now, this is the fun part. Watch. Come on. This is definitely a hatchling because this is real small. Harley Quinn cream pinstripe. All right. Come on. No. Okay. Okay. Oh. Come on. Not me. Oh my god. Come on. Okay. I'm not trying to be aggressive, but come on. Okay. Alright. She gets really hot. I think she likes it.
Welcome home, Koolie. On the new setup because we changed the setup.
Just missed it a little bit. Nice and moisture, nothing too much.
Thank you to my girl Chelsea for this amazing experience and all the knowledge. Love you. Later. Like, comment, subscribe. Hey! I don't want to push it down on him.